How to deposit on Okx. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can deposit or add money to your Okx account. Now, to add cash to your balance, you need to make a deposit to your Okx account via bank transfer or any other payment methods available to deposit cash. Now I'll just be guiding you through quickly here. You're gonna open up Okx, head over to your account. Once on your account, now remember you'll have to verify your account first. In my case, I'm not verified, but I'll just be guiding you through. So you wanna head over to Assets tab once you have verified. Then you'll be able to see the Deposit tab. You wanna simply tap on Deposit and then enter in your bank details, or choose the first. You'll have to choose the transfer type, and then you'll have to enter in your payment details. Once you enter in your payment methods and go ahead through the prompts, confirm it, and you'll be able to deposit. The other way is at the home page, you want to tap on the horizontal tab at the top left corner, and there you'll be able to see under manage assets, you'll see deposit as well, but this is for depositing the assets. So to deposit funds, you'll have to head over to assets and you'll have to deposit it there. You'll find the deposit tab here. You can deposit it from here as well, the similar process. So this way you can deposit on Okx. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.